Hey there. Now that we've built our master schedule, I'm going to show you how we can use it to start building our lookaheads and to help our teams plan in the field. In Outbuild, all we have to do is go from our schedule to our lookahead module. When I first open the lookahead module, this is where I'll start to see activities that are automatically filtered in to my lookahead. Currently, it's showing me the next 4 weeks worth of activities. I can see my Gantt chart here on the right. I can see a list of activities from my schedule on the left. And if I need further insight and I want to plan 8 weeks in advance, I can filter in those activities. If I want to select more activities, I can see my whole schedule, so on and so forth. When I'm done filtering, I close that out and I can begin working within my look ahead schedule. When it comes to our look ahead, we can see our start and our end dates from our master schedule. We can simply hit the plus sign here to start adding additional tasks. And then it's as simple as putting in task names, putting in durations, and starting to create our look ahead schedule, which is our quick and easy short interval planning. It allows us to plan on the fly, walk the job sites with an iPad, and even progress our tasks just like this, which automatically feeds up into our master schedule. Now, once we have a look ahead schedule fully built out, we have our list of tasks, we have progress input, we have accurate dates, we've even gone in and assigned users and assigned companies and crew sizes. So now we can really see exactly what our plan of action is in the field, and then as things move, we can identify pushes to our schedule if they're necessary. We can see where we are ahead or behind schedule, and we can even identify roadblocks that are going to prevent us from starting, continuing, or completing work. It's as simple as clicking this caution cone here, assigning a type, giving a description, assigning to a user and a due date, and creating those roadblocks just like you can see here. And once we have those built out, you can simply go to your roadblocks tool. This is going to automatically create a log for you to track all of your priorities on your schedule. All of your removed roadblocks, any that are open, draft roadblocks that are coming in from Procore, or even expired roadblocks or roadblocks that we have passed the due date. So hopefully through this tour, you've been able to see how we can quickly and easily add detail, help our teams plan in the field. We can automate progress from our look ahead to our master schedule. We can identify roadblocks, and we can even ask for additional time in our schedule by submitting a modification request, which then allows our project manager or whoever is in control of that contract document to add or remove days. Thanks.